After ChatGPT and Dell E, OpenAI has launched its new project named Sora, which makes videos from texts. Sora is a Japanese word for sky. Since video making is going to be automized now, so some questions might be, are jobs of animators, video editors, YouTubers, cameramen, drone operators under threat? Not only this, but on a large scale, actors, journalists, TV channels can suffer. Here we will try to answer. Before we go into details, just remember humans are irreplaceable. And it's humans who actually create Sora. And Sora can't think itself beyond human beings' intellect. Sora will finish some jobs, but it will also create some. It will pose some challenges, but it will also create some opportunities. In one demonstration video by OpenAI, they have shown historical footage of California during gold rush. That means it will have ability to record videos of past, so it will be helpful for historians to gather data from past. But unlike human beings, it's not as smart to correlate things and draw conclusions. So it's not as much a matter of worry for historians. An intelligent historian might conclude how far California's sewerage system has improved or what measures during this course of time the administration has taken. Likewise, in one video, this Sora seems capable of capturing inside view of human eyes. That will help doctors to perform examination better. But again, it will not replace doctors because doctors may get standard or subjective view through this Sora, but there might be case to case variations and only human beings will be able to omit chances of error. In another demonstration video, it seems capable of capturing drone view of top of the mountains. It can help mountaineers to carve out their path and to ensure their life security better. Likewise, it will be very useful for better parenting. Parents can generate animated cartoons of their own choice to show to their kids and groom their children as they like. Because many parents have concerns over mainstream media cartoons for showing things on media they don't want to show their kids. In one video, Nigeria of 2056 is shown. Thus, it can help humans to take better decisions for their future as to have a little bit glimpse of future prediction through this Sora. It will help police to identify criminals to make sketches of criminals with little bit information available. Because at some instances only one eyewitness is available to identify criminals and Sora will create videos or images to identify that criminal with available information. Just remember, we human beings are not merely flesh and blood, but we are also filled with emotions. Materials can be replaced, but emotions cannot be. We humans do many things not merely because of materialistic needs, but sometimes we do because of emotions. We watch football match because we either associate ourselves with Lionel Messi or Cristiano Ronaldo. We either want Lionel Messi to win or Cristiano Ronaldo to win. If we create match with AI, we will lack such characters with whom our emotions are attached. We follow celebrities not up to the limit of football or films they do, but to who they are marrying, how many kids they have, etc. etc. It's just because our emotions are attached to them. Human beings respond to human beings more than to any other thing. I'm not showing my face in this video, you might not be liking this video. But if somebody comes up with the same content and show himself in the video, you will say, a wonderful video. Actors, athletes will stay because human beings can relate themselves with them. So, to conclude, we can say when crane was invented, it vanished some jobs of laborers who were lifting weights, but at the same time, it created some jobs for crane drivers and mountaineers. Those human beings who upgraded their skills, they survived. Likewise, when drone was created, jobs of some cameramen finished, but drone operators were created. So, although AI has come a long way, but it still needs humans for its functioning. Sora is here to stay. All you need to do is keep updating your skills to thrive in modern day.